Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Study. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important topic. So, before that, please try to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest notification and update. All of you are getting confused in the mathematical aptitude, and mathematical aptitude is a common part for all exam, all entrance exam, competitive exam, everything. So, that is why if I ask you that the problem on the trains, so just there all of you are getting puzzled when a train is passing a pole, when a train is passing a platform, when two train is passing in opposite direction, or when it is standing, when anyone is standing in a platform, and how long it will take time to pass the platform, and when two train is going in same direction, one is starting 1 hour before, then when they will meet, what is the relative speed, what is the time. So, all of you are getting confused about this type of question, right. So, that is why today at 7 p.m. I am taking the class about this category, and here you can see all the aptitude will be free for all of you, all the mathematical aptitude, not only train, but also I will cover every mathematical aptitude chapter wise which are most important for every exam. So, today I am going to start train. So, the class is at 7 p.m. You can join the class with the link. I am giving the link in the description below, and what you have to do, total process I am going to say you to get the free plan and to access the free classes about total mathematical aptitude. If you are preparing for UGC NET, GATE or other competitive exam, or maybe you are preparing for any entrance exam, these are very common, right. So, try to understand what to do. So, now I am going to show you that what to do, and remember the class is on 7 p.m. I am taking the class at 7 p.m. and it is totally free for you, nothing to do, just try to understand what to do. See, this is Unacademy. You have to go for unacademy.com, or otherwise if you are using your phone, then you have to install the Unacademy Learning app. Try to install the Unacademy Learning app. Then you have to choose the NTA UGC NET category. Although maybe your exam is not NTA UGC NET category, although because I am an educator of NTA UGC NET category, so choose NTA UGC NET category and then try to search my name Priyanka Chatterjee, and I am giving this link also, that from this link you can go to directly my profile. From that profile you will see the free classes or the special classes. Here if you are accessing from your laptop or desktop, then here in the see all you can see, here you have to choose the special classes. So, if you are not able to attempt at 7 p.m. you can watch the recording also, all the recording are available here, and must follow me here. Don't forget to follow me. When you will come to my profile, then you have to click here that follow button, try to follow me. So, then you will get all the latest notification while I am taking the class and everything. And more that you have to know what you have to do for taking the free subscription. It is not a subscription, taking unlock the free plan. To unlock the free plan, there they will ask a code. What is the code? That is I am writing here. Please note down that code, and I will go give the code in the description below also. The code is Priyanka CS. Priyanka CS is my code. So, just you have to write down my code Priyanka CS, okay. Just write down the code here, that is Priyanka CS, PRIYANKACS, this is my code. So, you have to apply this code when they will ask the code to unlock the free plan. Then you can access easily, everything will be free for all of you. So, definitely this class will be helpful, and more that is more interesting thing is that those who don't know Hindi, so many videos are available in Hindi, but some students are there, especially some South Indian students are there, they don't know Hindi. So, the class will be in English, so there is no problem, and totally I will try to discuss in very basic, from basic area. So there will be no problem with the images, with the real time example. I will discuss everything. So definitely you will learn it, and finally you will get confirm your 10 to 12 marks in any exam, because in every exam mathematical aptitude is a common portion. So must attend the class or try to watch the recording. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and try to follow me on Unacademy also. And I am very sorry that I am not able to manage time to take classes in YouTube. That's why I am trying to share the link of the Unacademy free classes so that I can help you, because Unacademy is giving the opportunity of free classes, so you can avail the free classes from there also. Definitely I will take the class here, just some time management problem is there, so please excuse me for that. Try to follow me and try to watch the free recording, free classes, quizzes, test series, everything is going on. So you have to join the Telegram channel. Try to join the Telegram channel to get all the latest notification and update, and quiz code, free quizzes is going on also. You can avail everything. So I think that's all for this video. I think that will be helpful for you all. Thank you. So meet me with at 7 p.m. Try to join live, or otherwise if you are not able to join live, then try to watch the recording total series, that is free series of mathematical aptitude. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you have any query, you can comment in the comment section below, or you can contact with me through Telegram or my mail ID. There is the mail ID. This is my mail ID, unifystudy@gmail.com. You can mail me, or you can contact with me through the Telegram. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.